Hey guys, it's Marwan here again, your sales consultant at Steele Hyundai Halifax, and I want to talk about this SUV back there. It's the 2022 Preferred Kona all-wheel drive. Stay tuned. As usual, I'd like to give you a quick look from the outside, like a 360 look of how this vehicle looks like. It's still considered an SUV. It's a smaller SUV because they do come in both front wheel and all-wheel drive. There you go. I'm going to explain a couple of features. Before I explain some features from the inside, I want to show you a couple of features from the outside. You got your headlights right there. And it does have your blind spot assistant as well to avoid collision. And which another thing, you got your signal not on just the front and the back, you got them as well right there on the mirror, so that will actually help other drivers, that they will know that you're actually turning left or right if they're in your blind spot position. And also that also helps in avoid collision as well. And I want to show you how the trunk looks like. You got to just press the button right here and it will open right open. You got space, has a pretty good space right back there for a smaller SUV. You can also put your seats down. I'll show you right now. So if you go to the back seat, so it does have, before we get to that, it does have a keyless entry. If you have your keys in the pocket, see that black button right there, click on that and it's gonna unlock the car, as you can see. So if you go in the back, got your back seat, which is actually pretty good space, and you got your lever right here. If you pull that, this will go down. Obviously it didn't go all the way down just because the passenger seat up front is pretty back there, but it does go all the way down, okay? And that will give you extra space. And also they do come with a backup camera. They're right there. They're nice and clear. When I get to the inside, I'll show you how that looks like as well. You got also your all-wheel drive sign right there. And they come with a 17-inch all-season tire, as you can see down there. Take a quick look. So right now, guys, I'm going to explain some features from the inside. Stay tuned. So guys, this is a quick look from the inside the 2022 Preferred all-wheel drive Kona. This is how it looks like from the inside. I'm gonna start it up for you. Press on the brake. You got your push start button right there. Your car will start up. As you can notice as well, you have your also 8-inch touchscreen compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I'll show you that feature soon enough. You got your steering wheel, different options. If you can see right here, you got your cruise control, and you got your lane keep assist. And I'm gonna show you what's this button here is the menu button. If you click on that, I showed you guys this on the previous vehicles as well. You got your driver assistant, which has your forward safety, lane safety, blind spot safety, all type of features right there. If we click back, you got your cluster lights, doors. So you have your auto lock and to press on to unlock the car. And you got your units if you want in miles or kilometers. Bunch of features there, okay? You got your volume up and down right here, as you can see, and your talk mode as well. And this is your dashboard. You have your fan speed right here, temperature control right there. And this car also comes with a heated steering wheel. If you look down by the gear, you got your heated steering wheel and your heated seat. So if you click on the heated steering wheel, it's gonna heat up your steering wheel, like because it gets really cold in Canada, so that helps in the winter. Same goes for your heated seats. It has different three different levels of heat. You get to third level, second, first, and back to off. And that's your gear. And also comes with different drive modes. If you switch on that, so I'm in sport mode right now, smart or normal mode. Okay. So in a bit I'm gonna show you how it looks like how Android Auto looks like on the screen. Stay tuned. After you connect to your Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, since I have Samsung, I'm gonna show you how Android Auto looks like. You got your screen there, you got your maps, Spotify, you got your contacts right there, and if you scroll down, you got your Telegram, WhatsApp, and you can customize it as well. And the touch screen actually is really smooth and easy to use, which is pretty cool. And there you have it. Guys, if you want to take this awesome mini SUV for a test drive, don't be afraid to call us at 454-1000. Again, it's Marwan, it's Steele Hyundai. Just ask for me. And if you would like to contact me personally, I have my personal information in the description below. And that's all. Hope you guys see you soon. Have a good day.